Hey there guys, in this video I will show you how to make YouTube thumbnails with Canva. So let's get started. Search for canva.com. Once you are here, search for YouTube thumbnail and click on enter. As you see, there are so many templates. You can choose according to your video title. I am just choosing this purple one. Click on customize template. Once you are here, you can delete this photo. Click on delete. And now open the new tab. Search for remove background and click on the first link. Now click on upload image and choose the photo. Once the background is removed, download the photo. Now go back to the page and click on uploads. Click on upload file and select the photo. Now click on the photo, adjust it and click on the copy button here. Now select that photo and click on edit image. Click on adjust and just increase the intensity, temperature, tint, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, and just decrease this black option to 0. And now you see the photo is white. Now adjust the front photo so that only the corners visible. Let me just adjust it. Once the photo is adjusted, click on text. And now you can change the text here. Just double click on it. And now I am just writing, I just earned. You can give spacing between letters from here. So I just give a little bit spacing. Now the next, double tap and click on delete. Now just typing $100. Again click on spacing and increase the spacing. Now it fits perfectly. Again double click on it and just typing in 1 day. Again click on spacing and increase the space between the letters. Congratulations! Your YouTube thumbnail is just ready. Now click on the share button. Click on download. Click on download again. And now your thumbnail is just downloaded. Tap to open it. And this is what it looks like. So if the content helped you, leave a like on the video. Leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye!